What's up everybody, it's King Bassin here. Today I want to talk to you about this new reel I got and do a little bit of an unboxing right here. Alright, so the reel I got is from Piscifun. It's called the Viper 2. It's a 2000 series. I plan to use this for finesse fishing and maybe even some trout fishing. I don't know, I gotta see what the size of this reel looks like. But let's go ahead and open this up, do an unboxing on this. So, go ahead, open this up, see right here, still in this package right here. Nice little package. Alright, it doesn't feel that heavy, not too bad. I like the green accents with it, it looks good. I'm just going to tighten this side up right here, get the handle fixed. Oh man, does that feel super light, dude. Golly, man, yeah, it feels super light. Cool deal. First thing first, without ever looking at anything on the box or anything like that, I like these grips right here. Oh, look at that. They got the Piscifun logo on those. Got the Piscifun logos. That's pretty cool. It says it's a 10+1 shielded ball bearing on here. Nice stuff. Man, it's good. Got a quiet but smooth drag right here. I like that. Bell flips really nice. Cool deal. So let's go ahead and get to specs on this. Alright, so the reel has 11 ball bearings, so it's a 10+1. The gear ratio is 6.2 to 1, so it's not too fast whenever you're using it for like swim baits or little swim baits or little crank baits. It's not too slow wherever if you're using a Ned rig or wacky rig or something like that whenever you're bass fishing and need to catch up to those fish that swim towards the boat or land or wherever. You can catch up to them. The retrieve per turn is around 74 centimeters. Max drag is going to be around 17.6 pounds. Man, that's pretty good. That's pretty good in a reel like this right here. The reel weighs around 8.8 ounces. So it's not too heavy, it's not too light either. And the mono capacity is going to be around 8 pounds for 150 yards. Braid capacity is going to be around the 25-pound braid with about 175 yards. So a little bit more. It's high strength graphite body. It's got a nice side plate and rotor. Computer optimized gear design. Sealed triple carbon fiber drag. CNC machine aluminum braid spool ready. And it's got the flat EVA knobs. Man, does that make a good thing for a reel? I think so. I haven't gave this reel a test yet on the water. I do plan to do that soon. But in the meantime, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time guys, thanks for watching. King Bassin signing off.